Today, we're diving into the magical world of plants. Plants are like superheroes. They are different shapes and sizes. Plants are many types. Big and tall trees. Imagine giants in the plant world. Those are trees. They stand tall with strong, woody barks and branches. Ever heard of mango, neem, or banyan trees? Yes, those are the big shots. Small, soft-stemmed shrubs. Meet the cuddly ones. Shrubs are smaller plants with soft stems. Mint, tulsi, and coriander are like the cozy blankets of the plant family. Woody stem bushes. Bushes are like the cool kids with woody stems. Hibiscus, roses, and cotton. They're small but mighty. Climbers and creepers. Some plants need a little help from their friends. Climbers. Plants with short stems that need support from other plants, sticks, walls, etc. are called climbers. Example: grapevine, money plant, bean, etc. Creepers. Plants with weak stems that grow along the ground are called creepers. Example: pumpkin, bottle ground, etc. Plants are super important. They give us food, oil, wood, and tons of amazing stuff. Let's get to know our plant friends a little better. Meet the plant parts. Roots are like plant superheroes. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and hold plants in the soil. Fruits are like yummy surprises. Apples, peaches, and oranges, they are the tasty parts plants give us. Seeds are like tiny magicians. They make new plants when they are planted. Flowers are like nature's artists. They grow into fruits and make our world so colorful. Leaves are like the kitchen for plants. They cook up food for themselves. Stems are like delivery trucks. They carry water and food all around the plant. Types of fruits based on the number of seeds. Seeds. Example: mango, plum, lychee. Some seeds. Example: apple and orange. Many seeds. Example: watermelon, papaya. Plants grow from seeds. Beautiful flower of a plant that produces seeds or fruit. A fruit is the fleshy part of a plant that grows from flowers and contains seeds inside. Seeds contain baby plants. Plants give us food. Some plants store food in their fruits, seeds, stems, roots, leaves, and flowers. We get many delicious foods from plants. Cereals like rice and wheat are the stars of our meals. Pulses like peas and beans are protein-packed heroes. Roots like carrots and radishes keep our tummies happy. Stems like potatoes and sugarcane store delicious treats. Leaves like cabbage are the crispy greens we love. Flowers, yes, they are delicious too. Think cauliflower. Some plants even give us oils for cooking, like sunflowers, groundnuts, and coconuts. They're like the chef's best friends. Plants are awesome, right? They're not just pretty, they're life superheroes.